Hey guys, welcome back to Delph Stack. This is how to send a star using a Facebook Live Messenger FB. So to do this, you can just simply open up the Facebook application into your device, and now just simply go ahead and go to the live that you want to send the star to. So to do this, you can just simply select a specific live. Now guys, once you are here, you can just simply go to their live on their profile at the bottom left and make sure you are on the live itself. And now from here, as you can see, you should be able to see the preview of a live viewer, and you will have the star icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. So when you tap on that, as you can see, we could send a star, and now we could add a comment with the star of 35 stars. Let's say I'm gonna go for a test, and you can just simply select send. And now once you have done that, guys, from here it will redirect you to the payment method, and you can just simply select buy in order for you to send a star on the Facebook Live. Now, just simply provide all of the necessary information in order for you to proceed with this process. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.